I chose the University of Utah to try something different.
I really wanted to go somewhere different from where I was from, and I really liked that Utah and Salt Lake City has so much to offer. There's a lot of things to do here.
The fact that we have world-class slopes literally 30 minutes away from school has been insane. I mean, I've been able to finish a test and be skiing up at, Alta or Snowbird within 45 minutes. Especially if you're an outdoor person, there's a ton of great opportunities in the winter to go skiing or snowboarding, and in the summer to explore 5 national parks within just a few hours of here.
If you're an outdoorsy person, if you're outgoing and you want to see the downtown area here, or you're more introverted and you just want to go skiing by yourself and take some time to yourself, this is the place for you. Not only just the lifestyle here in the city, but also the lifestyle here at the school.
I wanted to get out of my home state and try something new, be closer to the mountains, get a good clinical experience, which is what we can offer here at the University of Utah. I was able to see my first patient as a D1 in the summer, which is exciting.
The school is so good about getting their students into the clinic earlier than other schools, and that was a top priority for me.
Here at the University of Utah, you start in your second year of treating patients, and at first it can be really intimidating, but I think having that exposure in your second year, continuing into your third and your fourth year, by the time that you're in that last semester, I feel prepared and ready for literally every procedure that can be done here at the school.
The school is very focused on clinical education and making sure students are ready to go. Once they finish dental school, they can walk into private practice and be able to competently treat patients at a high level. That was the biggest thing that drew me to the University of Utah.
The School of Dentistry really does a good job in making sure that the people that are actually here are people you want to go to school with.
Everyone wants you to be better. They want to build you up. They want you to succeed and be better every day. I don't feel that competition and things like that where other people talk about. Everyone works together, and I've been very happy for that, definitely.
We have 50 students in the class, so there is a lot of one-on-one time with the faculty that I really do appreciate. A lot of faculty are interested in us as not only their future colleagues, but as people.
I would describe the faculty at this dental school as being incredibly caring, incredibly engaged, and I think the word that really comes to mind is invested. With the small class size that we have, the faculty get to really know you on a very personal level, and they become incredibly invested in your success.
I've always felt that my faculty is there for me in my education, especially with some of the complex cases that I was thrown earlier on. I didn't know what I was doing, so I needed a lot of help, and everybody was really helpful and willing. It's really nice that we have the specialists at our disposal that we can go and pick their brain, and they're really willing to see a patient on the floor with you, or walk through a case.
This place is beautiful, and I've heard horror stories of people going to different dental schools, being stuck in basements and rooms with no windows. I don't think there's a single room here in the school that doesn't have a big window that you can see the great views of the valley, and you're gonna have times where it's gonna be tough, you're gonna be studying long hours, and it's much easier to do that in a place that you can feel relaxed and is beautiful.
To do my education in a newer dental facility with newer technology has been a great experience. We really get the science behind everything too, the new science, and we get to learn with the new technology as it progresses, and being in such a new space as well. Things are working, we have great hand skill tools to work with as well. So I would say for a person who wants to learn a new skill and become proficient at it, it's great to have newer materials and be, in a newer setting.
All in all, the University of Utah has a lot to offer. A class size of 50 is, I think, the best way to learn dentistry. Is you have a small, intimate class where you're able to have a lot of time with faculty. Salt Lake City is a really cool place to be, and you get a great clinical experience. You're in the clinic early, a lot earlier than some of your colleagues will be, and it just gives you more time to practice and perfect yourself as a dentist. And I think that is one of the most valuable things that you can have, is actually time working with patients.
almost every place that you go, you're going to become a competent dentist. You're going to be taught to do these procedures, you're going to pass your exams, you're going to learn the science of it, but there is a certain feeling of family and camaraderie among the student body, among the faculty, among every person that you meet here at the school. I would say to anybody, applying dental school is going to be hard, and it's much easier to do dental school when you're surrounded by people that you feel support from and that you want to support. So anyone that is thinking about the University of Utah, do it, because if you decide to come to school here, you won't be doing it by yourself.